going on, people? Just want to give you a little shop update along with a little bit of a car update. As you can see, I finally have lights. I also have more outlets. No heat though. Forgot the heater at home. But lights, huge thing for me, so I don't have to dick around with my stupid lighting that I was trying to make work, and it was a shit show. So with me having lights, it's a little bit more motivation to get me out here. Next time I won't forget my little heaters, because that will make it a little bit nicer in here too. But with that being said, I'm able to bring the two little electric heaters that I have and warm this place up, so maybe I can start painting some of the interior bits if I get it warm enough in here. I've also been able to decorate, I guess you could call it decorate. Got the fenders on the walls, got the dash over here, got my skid plates over there on the walls, so it takes up a lot less real estate. Still a few more things I need to hang up. I need to put some shelves over here and maybe some more over there just to free up some floor space. But things are coming along in here. I need to start working on the car again, obviously. It's the beginning of February right now, and the first event I'm going to try to do is in May? Middle of May. So, a little ways to go on that. I finally got a full-on chassis harness from my friend Ian from a car he was parting out. So I'm able to put that in the wagon, so I can either run the 2.5 RS motor that's in it and just see how it goes before I sell it, or go straight to the swap that I'm going to do with the Forester bits. But I needed the chassis harness so I could have all of the pigtails for the tail lights and for everything. Not much else on that front going on. I am waiting for my tax money to take care of a few things to pay off, and also to buy new safety equipment. But everyone's waiting on the tax money, so it's nothing special. But let's see what we can get going. Enough of the talking. So I got the harness laid out for the back of the chassis. Both taillights are plugged in, the harnesses go forward, and that's where the matching up ends. So the connectors down here that meet at the bulkhead, 1 out of 4 match up. So you know what that means, right? Yeah, we're just going to go full swap now with the XT. I'm not going to dick around with much more wiring if I don't have to. So the motor, drivetrain, it's all going away, which is good because I really need to put the money towards something else. So with that being said, 2.5 RS motor, tranny, probably hubs, everything going bye-bye. Forester stuff going in this. I'm not dicking around with the harness stuff. If it's going to be this difficult, I might as well just swap it and do the harness stuff then, because all I have to do is merge headlight, taillight, windows. Everything else I use leftovers from the XT. It's literally that easy. I've done it before in my other Forester, and it was the tits. So going that route, I don't know. I guess I'll start pulling motor, training, stuff like that sometime soon. And in the meantime, I'll get it warmed up in here so I can paint the floor, the cage, pretty much the whole interior. But that's it for updates. Enough talking. I know you guys don't like it. I know you really don't like harness stuff, but maybe doing an actual swap will make it a little bit more interesting instead of just merging a harness or a pigtail. But with that being said, thanks for watching. If you're still watching, stay tuned for updates. Super fucking excited for the Hillclimb season this year, and a very well prepped car. I'm also going to do some exterior stuff. I got to put the roof vent on. I got to chop up a couple things. I might dip the whole car. I might leave it orange. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But thanks for watching.